Okay, so it's put together, and what I don't like is on the top where the cat lays, you got the Velcro strips. So they're going to lay up here on the Velcro strips, and then there's a tag. Otherwise, here's the bottom, and a little play toy hanging from it. It's cute and all, but the only thing I don't like is this. Of course, it comes off, but then, you know, I guess I could put a cushion on it. Then you got the tag. Other than that, it's cute, and was put together pretty quickly.
There, I didn't put him in there either. They're using it. They're using it. Isn't it cute? Oh my god. The little moon. They're so cute. I love you.
Mira qué hermosa como juega.